So if you want to go ahead and generate images in some image generators, then what you can actually do is you can utilize Kimi to give an image and explain the image so that it gives a prompt for you to generate the specific type of image as per how you feed it. So to do that, I can go ahead and click on the attachment button right here. And then what I can do is, let's say, for example, upload out this particular image right here and say, I want a prompt so that I can generate an exact image as this right here. So I want a prompt that so that I can generate an exact image as this. So you need to wait for a while for the image to be uploaded. And now you can see that the image has been loaded. So let me just go ahead and then hit the send button. Once you do that, it'll analyze out the image and then will give a prompt on basis of it. So it says creating an exact replica of the image using a text prompt can be challenging, but it gives the prompt in as detail as needed, as you can see. Like for example, it says create an image of a single vibrant pink lotus flower in full bloom. The flower should have a gradient of color, with the petals at the base being deeper pink and gradually lightening towards the tip. The center of the flower should be soft, creamy white with subtle hint of yellow at the stamen. The petals should be slightly curled at the edges, giving a sense of natural environment. And the background should be rich dark green, suggesting a lush leafy environment. So you can see that it explains this particular image right here in text, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the text image to text prompts option inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.